Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wow, we finally got to look at a 2026 Jayco Eagle, model number 321 RSTS. So let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 36 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 11,145 with a hitch weight of 2,270. With a GVWR of 13,200 pounds. And we are right out on the road.
We are. The traffic's a little bit heavy today. That's okay. We'll start up here, show you. Of course, this is fifth wheel. There's your pin box. You do have some storage there at the front. Your batteries will go up there, of course. This is going to have 4-point leveling on it. Propane tank right there. And of course there's your buttons for your leveling. Alright, now the Jayco Eagles are not on a drop frame, so you're going to not have quite as much basement storage, but guys, this one is actually really nice, and I do love the flooring that they put in here. You are going to have your 3-stage water filtration in here. Light in here, your hookups are here, and your tank pools are inside. And
tankless water heater
is right there.
And it's white.
It is white, so it does match the side of your camper. Boy, the sun is it's doing something today. So you've got one of your dump areas right there. You do have a sewer caddy.
I guess you did pull out the auto levelings in here.
I did.
Okay, I'm just making sure before I close it.
All right, now up here, this is going to be a bedroom slide, so you've got a Schwintek slide. You're going to have a cable slide over here. That's one of those, some people love them, some people hate them. We're just going to say, just make sure you do your maintenance and keep an eye on it.
This is the exact slide.
This is the exact slide. So
a little better than the
AccuSlide. Yes, so our understanding is this is the good one. All right, let's come on down the side. Now we're a little close to another unit over here, so let me squeeze through. Got your Jayco symbol back there. At the back, you are going to have a ladder to get to your roof. It's going to be prepped for a backup camera, and you do have a towing capacity up to 3,000 pounds. Let's see, this one is just over 36. Yeah, so just be careful if you choose to tow. You do have a quick connect right at the back. Now Jayco has this J-port system, so it will slide in right there if you want to put your grill out. And now he told me the awning links, but I have forgotten them, so I'll have to wait till he walks back around to give you the awning links. What were the awning links again?
17 and 10'6".
Yeah. And these are prepped for slide toppers if you want them. And this slide is actually going to be rack and pinion. So for those who don't know what type of slide you got, this one's going to give you one of each. All right, here's the other side of the passenger storage. Like I said before, this is not a drop frame. But this is a really nice storage here. So you've got hookups here to bring a TV outside. You do have USB and C port there. Speakers are down low where they make sense. Really nice.
Not blasting out the neighbors.
Exactly.
Because we've heard those occasionally.
Well, yeah. And then you have your other propane over here. All right. Let's go right inside and take a look. Now, for those who want to know, I'll show you the sticker. This one does say that it is warranty for full-time RVing. So if you are a full-timer, this would be one that you might want to consider. Quick look around. This is your traditional rear living, and I'm just going to tell you, this is one that's actually on our list for whenever we get ready to upgrade. So if anybody is interested in a travel trailer, drop us a line. We'll tell you what we've got and show it to you.
Yep.
But let's show you this one right now. back here at the back, you're going to have your sofa that will make into some additional sleeping.
Good grief.
Nice storage across the top. There is a ceiling fan in here. You do see that you also have speakers in the ceiling. Nice big window. This would just be amazing backed up at the lake somewhere.
It does make into
Yeah,
a bed.
yeah, it does. Got a cup holder there. You have USB, got C ports, power, little not nightstands. I guess if you're sleeping, they would be nightstands. End tables on both sides.
I like that they got away from...
Yes, I like that this is not that pleather stuff. This is a nice fabric sofa, and so is your theater seating.
As Doug said, it was that Naga hide, them poor little Nagas.
Yeah, all those poor Nagas. Anyway, this being a Jayco, you are going to have their neat little swivel tables there that will remove. So if you don't want it, you can take them off and put them somewhere else.
Yep.
It's amazing. Storage here for your remotes and snacks.
Okay, I think you're getting hungry.
I am hungry. It's about lunchtime. And now this is your front slide. So this is going to be on your campsite.
Huge windows.
Amazing windows. They are just super nice.
That sun
with
is
blackout
just
shades.
beaming in here.
It is, and it's a little bit warm, so we're trying to get these done before it gets over 90 degrees. I don't think we're going to make it. But
I love how they do their tables now.
yeah, now I think this is a new thing for Eagle. Now it's been in North Point and Pinnacles have had this table system. So I mean, hey, you can have everybody over for this because that table is going to pull right on out. There are extra chairs. They are stashed under the bed, but then again, there is some storage down here underneath. You do have a little access panel right up in there. But yeah, and then these will attach for transport so they won't move around. This is going to have, let me back up a little bit. You're going to have your whisper quiet air, so you don't have the big giant AC unit in here. Now, if you take a seat on this really nice, comfortable.
Oh, they are nice.
It is nice. Ooh, and I don't stick to it. I like that.
What is your guess?
I'm guessing a 50 on this one.
All right, here, let's see what we got. This has kind of been our... dogs.
I know my TV.
Since we kind of made it our shtick now to measure TVs.
Well, everybody wants to know how big the TV is, so there you go.
There you go.
So yeah, great storage up above it. Your 50-inch TV right there. Then you've got a little open area. That'd be great for your remotes. And a super nice electric fireplace. And then, of course, there's your speaker off-on button. Now, this being Jayco, your vents are going to be in your cabinetry and not in the floor. So here in your island, you've got this plug-in here, lights for your accent light. Solid surface here.
Gosh, this is...
I love to call this the swanky sink.
Oh.
You've got your cup washer and your soap dispenser and your high-rise faucet. Underneath here, they give you a garbage can. Love that. Some storage shelves over there. Oops, sorry about that. Four nice drawers right
Well, they're
over
not the biggest drawers in the world, but...
No, but you got them. We don't have them. But now over here.
No, but here's where the big ones are.
This is where they make up for it. Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is not anything to sneeze at.
I don't want to sneeze. Good night.
Then you have a huge pots and pans drawer down there. The little bit bigger 3-burner cooktop with
What is
an
this
oven.
about? Oh,
It's a
GE profile.
Yeah. Big storage over here. You could get crock pots under there. And they also give you a GE microwave, so I really like that. Nice full-size microwave, not Hot Pocket size like I was.
That's what we got.
Hey, it
Hot
works.
Pocket.
So I really like this light fixture up here. I think it looks really cool. You are going to have a French door fridge with the 2 freezers.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Nice.
yeah, very nice.
Okay.
And
Oh.
I'm going to have to come around here behind you a little bit to show this pantry. This is a super nice pantry. As you can see, it's got a light. These shelves are adjustable. And then of course you've got space all the way down to the floor.
Okay, this little sticker.
Mhm.
Liquid chalkboard.
Oh,
Oh, okay, cool.
yeah. Cool.
This would be my coffee bar
Yes, this would make a
if
great
we'd
coffee bar.
had this unit. Oh, let's see.
Fuses are down there.
That's the build sheet.
Hmm.
Okay, that's a nice total.
Well, we won't say anything, but if you want to stop and zoom in, there you go.
And if you tell them that J&A sent you,
You will not get a discount.
really? Really? Oh,
I
God.
don't know. You might get a special tour, though. I have no idea. But over here on your coffee bar, you've got a plug-in up there
Oh, you got
and a light.
a light.
Yeah, and another USB and a C port there.
Okay.
So well done. Like I said earlier when we come in the door, this particular model is actually on our list. We do like this one. You are going to have the BM Pro. Now, I'm going to be perfectly honest. I prefer buttons, but this is what Jayco puts in there. Coming up the stairs.
Hang on, I'm measuring.
You're measuring.
I'm measuring. I'm not sure. Uh-oh, hang on. Let me get my... Oh.
Ooh.
This is a 30 by 48 shower.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
Yeah. Now, lots of headroom in this one. So.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So even with the skylight, I mean that gives you a lot of space. Jeremy is right at 6 feet tall, so yeah, really nice shower. Not real sure what that is, but there you go. And I'm going to show you this too. I mean, you'll have almost no step up. It's just, yeah, really nice.
Little medicine cabinet.
Medicine cabinet. The Eagles do not have solid surface in the bathroom, but that's fine. I mean,
This
you
is really sharp,
yeah,
though.
really nice space, good space underneath, and then a drawer
Drawer.
at the bottom. So
That is cool.
love that.
You put something in there.
Oh yeah, toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Yeah, I carry that much toothpaste with me.
Hey, look at there.
And so yes, ma'am, this is going to get the golden plunger because they do have a nice dedicated linen area. Got an open space right down there. You could stash a, oh wow, that's pretty deep. You could stash a whole lot of toilet paper right there.
And
The drunken octopus.
there you go.
Well, I guess it's two of them. It's octopi.
Fight Club.
Yeah. Tissue holders already in place. That's the toilet. Yeah. Nice leg room in front of it. So hey, yeah.
And you got this little pocket door.
And you got a sliding door.
Really sharp. I like it.
It is an
They-
actual pocket door, not just a
Yeah.
barn door. All right, let's move into this front bedroom, which we love. Love this one.
Oh my gosh.
You are going to have a king size bed in here. Of course, you've got blackout shades on both sides. Now, Jayco likes to give you those light controls, so that's what that little square rectangle looking box is. You've got USB and C plugs up there in the corners.
Let's see what's on the bed.
Going to be some storage under there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There,
And,
oh
of
my
course, there's your
gosh.
extra chairs and your cords.
Cords.
Your
Spray thingy.
yeah.
Wow.
This is going to make noise.
Okay. No, it's not. There we go.
Oh, okay. And you are going to have a second AC unit in here, so it's another whisper quiet.
If you don't see...
If you don't see the square, you don't hear the air.
Oh, okay.
I borrowed that.
I wonder who.
They'll know. All right. But again, you got really good floor space over here. You can actually stand over here and make up the bed. Give you a plug-in right down there.
Are you kidding?
I know. We'll get there.
Oh my gosh. Hang on.
We're not there yet.
I'm sorry.
Right here at the foot of the bed, you're
Yeah.
going to have a 3-drawer dresser.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're not super deep drawers, but they're big enough for your socks. You'll get everything
I
in
keep
there.
my underwear in there.
Again, like I said, Jayco being Jayco, they give you these light controls pretty much throughout the coach.
Little window.
TV will go right up there above the window. You have these mirrored doors. Now I'm going to tell you, personally, I would prefer those to be solid wood doors. I mean, that's my personal preference. Hey, somebody
Well.
tell me what you guys think, because these are mirrors. In my head, this is something that I would break.
Bounce around and break.
Yeah, I would find a way to break them.
Yeah.
So, but that's just me. But hey, this is an awesome closet. So you've got a hanging bar, you've got those great hooks back there, and another hanging bar, and yes, behind that little panel right there, you are prepped for a stackable washer dryer.
Well, that's all right with me.
Super nice. I love that they covered the water thingies up.
Oh yeah, and it does matter which door
Yes,
shuts
it does
first.
matter which one. Okay, now this is what we absolutely love. Eagle has gotten this from the North Point, because North Point went like a year or so ago to this great closet system.
Configuration.
Oh yeah, it's amazing because it just uses the space so well. You have a hanging bar, of course, and then you've got these great shelves back here, so if you like to fold your jeans or sweaters or put your shoes back there, you've got all of this wonderful space, and then some more right back there. But this right down here is what we really, really like. So you get like another dresser area. You have great drawers here, camper area,
Another drawer.
and then some more. Again, this is something that North Point went to a year or so ago, and I love that Eagle has adapted it also. So what do you guys think about this front closet?
Oh, I can't stand it.
I can tell.
I can tell.
Oh,
Wow.
right.
No, it's really good.
It is really nice. I
This is
love
really
that
good.
Eagle still is keeping some of these lighter areas, lighter cabinetry on the top, and then they're incorporating some of these warmer tones. So we want to know
All
what
right,
you
everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle rear living model, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. Give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.